Okay, perfect. Yes.
So, thank you. And I'm here to report the missing of my sister. Her name is Esther. She went missing on. Was Sunday evening, not evening, afternoon. So ili happen, alikuwa anasumbuana na boss wake. This is her 5th month since she came here. So she came not in Saudi.
5 months.
5 months.
How old is she?
She's 26.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
So alienda Saudi on the 13th of November last year, na amekuwa akisumbuana na boss wake sana in terms of food, salary na kufanyishwa kazi mingi.
Yeah.
So amekuwa akihandle na hiyo sana for a very long time. Like hapati food, but still she has to work. The house is very big, like 3 floors, and she has to do every single day, like 2 times a day. So, and she was diagnosed with H. pylori, so she needs food, but she still is not being fed well. So wakati alianza kuuliza boss story na mshahara, pia mshahara hakuwa analipwa poa. Hakuwa analipwa poa. So wakati alianza kuuliza boss story na mshahara, huyo mama anapanda, like she starts shouting, anamtusi, like hivyo hadi hata chakula sometimes ampei. And during Ramadan pia, during Ramadan she was not eating, but still she had to work, keeping in mind her condition needs food. So for the past like 3 weeks amesumbuana na boss wake about salary and anataka kurudi nyumbani, but the boss is not letting her go. Sasa aliambia boss, nipeleke nini ofisini niende, nimechoka, like I'm not getting enough like spati medication, I'm not getting food and not enough rest.